Welcome to the Financial Markets Comedy Show, where learning about finance is as fun as a stock market roller coaster. Hey Alex, ready to tackle the wild world of financial markets?
Oh, absolutely. Nothing screams fun like the stock market.
Trust me, it can be. Let's start with a quick history lesson. Picture this. It's the 17th century. Amsterdam. People are trading shares of the Dutch East India Company, which was basically the Uber of its time, but with ships.
So, the stock market started with a bunch of guys trading ships? Sounds like a pirate movie.
Exactly. Now, let's define it. The stock market is a place where people buy and sell ownership in companies. Think of it as a giant mall for shares.
Okay, but why do we need this giant mall?
The purposes of the stock market are to raise capital for companies, help investors grow their wealth, and provide liquidity. It's like a big financial matchmaking service.
I like the sound of that. What kind of products are we talking about?
Financial products include stocks, bonds, options, and futures. Imagine stocks as pizza slices, bonds as the tablecloth, and options as, well, a chance to order extra cheese.
And who are the players in this market?
We've got investors, traders, brokers, clearinghouses, banks, regulator. It's like a reality TV show with lots of drama and high stakes.
So, how do I get in on the action?
Well, first, an investor, let's say a buyer fills up a trading order or can call his or her broker and give him the order specification. Direction, for example, buy stock Coca-Cola with a quantity, price, or order type. There are several order types. Then the order is transmitted from the broker to the stock exchange before or during the trading session. All the details of the order are registered in the order book of the listed company on the stock exchange. If we have a selling order, we get the same order path until the order book, and if have a matching, then the orders are executed. And this pictures all the stock market players.
What about methods for trading?
There are two main methods: fundamental analysis, which is like analyzing a company's resume, and technical analysis, which is like studying a company's mood swings. Winks. For more, check out these links to our videos on both methods.
What's this I hear about stock market indexes and different markets?
Yes, the stock market index is like the leaderboard of the market. It shows how a group of stocks is performing. Think of it as a report card for the market. Standard markets are your major exchanges like the NYSE, while OTC markets are for trading stocks not listed on major exchanges. It's like comparing a fancy restaurant to a food truck.
Can you actually get rich from the stock market?
Absolutely. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He's made billions. Or the tech investors who struck gold with early investments in companies like Apple and Microsoft. It's a bit like finding a treasure chest, but you have to be smart and a bit lucky.
Wow. And which stock markets are the big players globally?
Major stock markets include the New York Stock Exchange, Nasdaq, London Stock Exchange, and Tokyo Stock Exchange. They're like the VIP lounges of the financial world.
Thanks, Professor. I guess financial markets aren't as boring as I thought.
I told you. Who knew finance could be so entertaining? Remember, it's all about staying informed and having a bit of fun along the way. Goodbye and see you for the next lesson.